I hope you all have a beautiful bank holiday weekend, whether you're in Notting Hill Carnival or nah. I'm excited. I'm waiting for my friends to get here. I feel blessed. I went to church this morning as well. This is the fit for Sunday for Jab Jab and Jouvert. I won't show YouTube all of it. You might see a little bit of it later. Without much further ado, let's see what Guam Pundy Road. Let's see if we can go 2 for 2. Last time, what did we saying? 59k views? 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Moving like a madman, boy. There's problems in this session, boy.
Everybody say yeah, yeah. Ready? Ready? Let me see you. Let me see you raise your hand. What? I put them in me. So put them in me. Jack this morning. Who played a wicked Jack this morning? Woo. Who drinking tequila? Who drinking Johnny? What I do is them mash up people party at the venue. Mash up and I saw it. Since when that is happening. Every develop like it's like it's happening. Mash up and stay on my jogging. I want to hear you. I want to hear you. Everybody sing. Let's go. Shake that, shake it with that, break that.
Real bad. When I reach inside the session, I drunk already. I see a sexy girl, I want to walk already. I drink about 10 bottles of rum already. And I don't think I said reach the glamour. Hey guys, happy second day of Carnival. Today is Carnival Monday. I'm in my costume. I am jumping with Island Mask today. Yeah, I still have paint in my hands from yesterday. Honestly, yesterday was amazing and I can't wait to have a great time, celebrate my friend and her success because all of this is her. And also get a lot of photos for Insta. So I hope you guys are having a great bank holiday and let's go and see what today has in offer. I needed, ooh, I'm brushing my feathers into everyone. She
Oh, that's she call me name.
It's only up from here. Fight from here. Hey, walk from here. Fight from there. That's what. Hey. 1, 2, box, 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 box. Hey. Thank you. That's the vibe.
Emotions running high. We are up in the sky. Just running up.
Who ready for carnival already? Who ready for carnival again? Who can do carnival tomorrow? Say what, say what, say what? My brother, you did too hype. Both any shot for family. Everybody sing, sing, sing.
Everybody.
Put up your hands. Why? Hey, okay, let me go.
We're gonna dance on the all over the road, what you wine and roll. When we roll, what you wine and roll. So she only got one life, can't play on it up.
Yo! Hey, Ale, Ale. Everybody put it up right now. Everybody go. Look, when the song set over your head, you're going to turn anything in your hand into a helicopter. Anything you have, a rod, a flag, anything you turn into a helicopter. Just stop, let me hear it. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm flying back to New York City tomorrow. Why? With American Airlines. Right, right. But when I go to the airport and I check my luggage, yeah, this is the song I'll be listening to. Watch this song, listen. Overhead, like canopy. Give me back what you beat my fence, sneakers and wallabies.